Hey everybody, I'm Marty Boardman.
And I'm Manny Romero, and we're here at our historic Central Phoenix project to give you an update on our progress.
The last time we were here, our crews worked outside installing new shingles on our 800 square foot addition to the back side of the house.
While inside, our drywall crew worked on the inside hanging the sheetrock.
They got the roof installed and drywall hung in just 3 days.
As soon as they were finished, our painters came in and sprayed the walls and rolled out the white paint for the base, windows, trims, and doors.
Then our flooring guys put in these 6 by 32 inch tiles in every room of the home, except of course for the bedrooms. We'll put carpet in there.
So the house is really coming together.
Yeah, it's time to put the finishing touches on this baby here on the inside and outside.
On the inside, our cabinet crew is getting ready to install the cabinets, while on the outside, our painters are getting ready to paint the exterior.
For the exterior, we went with a white mocha body color and espresso brown trim.
We don't believe in reinventing the wheel. We used this exact same color scheme at our last Central Phoenix fix and flip, and that house sold in 1 day for full price.
So we decided to use it again here, but it wasn't easy for our painting crew. They had a lot of prep work. This old brick was chipped, cracked, and weather worn.
Inside, our carpentry team installed the cabinets. These guys have to be extremely precise.
Yeah, we paid over $11,000 for these things, so one screw up could cost us thousands.
But these guys are like surgeons with their tape measures and cordless drills. In just 2 days, the cabinets for the kitchen were fully installed.
And they also installed the bathroom vanities and cabinets in the laundry room.
All that's left now to do inside is install the granite countertops, light fixtures, and bathroom tile.
Outside, we'll get our landscapers here to install the grass, gravel, and shrubs in the front and backyard.
So don't miss our next video update.
Yeah, we'll be back out here with the house fully staged, finished, and ready to put on the market. I'm Marty Boardman.
And I'm Manny Romero. Thanks for watching.